This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Christina Grosu. Wow! This amazing opportunity for investors or first-time home buyers is a true gem. No HOA or rental restrictions, this property would be an excellent Airbnb/VRBO. Home is close to Camp North in North Carolina Music Factory, NoDa, Plaza Midwood, Johnson C. Smith University and Uptown. Just a few minutes away from I85 and Highway 77. Less than 10 minutes from Center City. This 3-bed/1-bath bungalow features new neutral paint throughout, newly updated kitchen cabinets, stainless steel plumbing fixtures in kitchen, and granite countertops. LVP covers main living spaces within house. Private lot and storage shed on back of property will convey. Homes nearby are pushing $600,000 to $700,000 sales prices. Great investment opportunity, come check it out today. All appliances will remain. For more information,